We are going to do single leg tabletop hip thrusters. Ideally, our fingers are facing behind us for this. If you are feeling any discomfort in your shoulders, elbows, or wrists, you can wiggle them in. The goal is for your fingers to be facing behind you though. We're going to push the ground away to lift our butt up off the ground. And from here, we are going to lift one leg, drop the butt, push up, single leg glute bridge, but in a tabletop position, drop the butt down, push the ground away, push foot into the ground to lift the butt, come back down. And then I'll do the other leg so you can see the other side. Dip down, push, down, push. We're not necessarily trying to arch super high in our spine either. Make sure we're staying in our glutes with this.